how to download and install Audacity ffmpeg library using latest way. If you want to import some special files on Audacity, so you can also find an error. So here let me show the error. So right now I have a file which I have recorded in Samsung's phone. So here you notice that and the audio file is also, but you notice that it is .m4a. so this is the special format of audio. So here when I try to normally import this file on Audacity, so you notice that it shows the error, could not open file, and it shows my directory, and you notice that .m4 a incorrect type file. So it shows this error. Even this is a perfect audio file, and also I see this error importing, and you notice that it shows you can only import WAV or AIFF. So let me show how to successfully fix this problem by downloading the ffmpeg library. So the first thing, you have to just open up the web browser. Here you can go to the Audacity library section. So you notice that this is the location where you can find the Audacity library, and here you have to just install the latest ffmpeg installer. So this is basically a library. Here you can download it. So this is an official 64-bit library. You have to just download this, and once you successfully tap on this one, so here you can find the exact library. So you have to just go for the 64 if you have installed the 64 Windows, or you can also go for the 32-bit, but I want to just install for 64-bit. and here I want to save this. You notice that I have successfully downloaded. So this is the latest downloads. So now you have to just tap and install this library, and once you successfully install it, you have to just follow me, and now I have successfully installed this library. So now I want to just open up the Audacity. Here I want to once again import the same file. So you notice that it shows again the same error even I have installed the library. So now I want to show you some settings so you can easily fix this. So first you have to just go to the edit tab. Here go to the preferences. So I have a latest Audacity version. So first I want to show my Audacity exact version, so which one is 3.7.8. so this is the latest Audacity software. Here I want to just tap on edit, then preferences. Here you have to just go to the library, but you notice that there is no any locator or download option. So I want to show you how to enable this option. First go to the application, go to the modules. Here you have to just enable the ffmpeg. So right now it is disabled. You have to just enable it, and once you successfully enable it, so now you have to just tap on OK. And now you notice that the layout of the Audacity is now a little bit changed. So now I can easily import the file. So if I haven't installed this library, so it doesn't detect, but I have already installed this library, so now it will be automatically accept the file. So now you have to just once again open up the Audacity. Here you have to just try to import the file. So this is the same file I want to right now import, and here you can see I have successfully imported this file. So I can easily play the audio.
Hello testing, hello testing.
So this is the easiest way to import the file in Audacity if you have .mp4 a formats. So this is the special type of audio file that I have recorded in a Samsung phone. So now I can easily import with the help of this. So in this way you can easily download and install the Audacity ffmpeg library using this method. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.